Did you know eggs are a nutritional powerhouse for boosting testosterone naturally? Packed with vital nutrients, they can significantly enhance your levels. This surprising fact highlights their importance and sets the stage for exploring how eggs can transform your health journey. Let's dive into their secret role in hormonal balance. Testosterone is a cornerstone of health, influencing energy and well-being. What if a simple dietary addition could enhance it naturally? Enter eggs, nutrient-rich and potentially powerful in boosting testosterone. Could these everyday staples be the key to better hormonal balance? Let's explore their vital role together. In today's fast-paced world, many unknowingly battle low testosterone, silently sapping energy, causing fatigue and decreasing muscle mass. This imbalance often brings mood swings, impacting daily life and well-being. These symptoms are more prevalent than you might think, leaving many searching for effective solutions. How do we address this pervasive issue? As we navigate these challenges, the quest for natural remedies becomes paramount. Many are turning towards nutritional approaches, seeking answers in everyday foods. Could there be a simple, natural solution hiding in plain sight? Stay with us as we explore the potential of a common dietary staple that might hold the key to unlocking hormonal balance and restoring vitality. Eggs, often overlooked, may be nature's answer to this pressing problem. In the next segment, we'll delve into the nutritional powerhouse of eggs and uncover how their unique blend of nutrients could be the game changer for those struggling with low testosterone. Join us as we continue this journey toward better health and discover how you can take control of your well-being. As we journey into understanding the power of eggs, let's explore their rich nutritional profile. Eggs are not just a breakfast staple, they are packed with vitamin D, cholesterol, and protein. Each plays a vital role in testosterone production, supporting hormonal balance. But how do they work? Vitamin D is essential for healthy testosterone levels, while cholesterol is a building block for hormone synthesis. Protein aids in muscle maintenance and repair, crucial for enhancing fitness and vitality. Imagine the humble egg transforming your diet into a source of strength and balance, naturally elevating testosterone levels. By incorporating eggs into your routine, you can harness these nutrients to support your body's hormonal needs. Stay with us as we explore the scientific evidence that underscores these benefits. Up next, we delve into studies and expert opinions that solidify eggs' role as a natural enhancer of testosterone. Discover how these findings empower you to make informed choices for your health journey. In recent years, science has revealed astonishing insights into the humble egg. Studies consistently show a compelling link between egg consumption and increased testosterone levels. This isn't speculation, it's backed by credible research. Experts have uncovered surprising findings that could change the way we view our breakfast staple. Imagine a simple dietary choice that naturally enhances hormonal balance. Eggs, rich in vitamin D, cholesterol, and protein, have emerged as a powerhouse. These components play a critical role in testosterone production, making eggs not just food, but a potential solution to a widespread health concern. Experts highlight how incorporating eggs into your diet can be a game changer for boosting testosterone naturally. With each bite, you're not just enjoying a delicious meal, you're investing in your health and vitality. As we transition to our concluding segment, let's explore how these findings translate into practical dietary changes. Discover how to harness the power of eggs for hormonal health and why they deserve a place on your plate every day. Eggs are a powerful ally in boosting testosterone naturally. Packed with vital nutrients like vitamin D and cholesterol, they support hormonal health and balance. Adding eggs to your diet can elevate testosterone levels and enhance overall well-being. Embrace the benefits of eggs today and unlock a healthier you. Share your egg stories in the comments below. Have they helped boost your testosterone? We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to explore our other videos for more health tips and insights. Together, let's make informed choices for a healthier lifestyle. Your journey to better health starts now.